Boy, the media, let me tell you what happened in the media landscape. You see the YouTube man, them a bomb rush. When you go to the press conference up at stadium already, a YouTube man, them take over the press conference, you know, my boss. Yeah, man, I say to some of my media colleagues, them say, watch out, we're in a press conference and you can't even get in a question to the coach. Because YouTube man, them just all over the coach. All over YouTube man, them I look content for them channel, brother.
Yeah, you saw a thing the other day.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, comedian, radio host, journalist and YouTuber Oral Tracey made some controversial comments about YouTubers. Take a quick listen.
Boy, the media, let me tell you what happened in the media landscape. You see the YouTube man, them a bomb rush. When you go to the press conference up at stadium already, a YouTube man, them take over the press conference, you know, my boss. Yeah, man, I say to some of my media colleagues, them say, watch out, we're in a press conference and you can't even get in a question to the coach. Because YouTube man, them just all over the coach. All over YouTube man, them I look content for them channel, brother.
Yeah, you saw a thing the other day. Easy to oral say down press conference and the man and a beer. You call it
the YouTube man, them bomb rush thing.
Yeah, YouTube too, brother.
No, but me not bomb rush the press conference.
You know, bomb rush
for my channel. We don't need that. We don't need that for my channel.
Okay.
Hey, Bacho, when we play Trinidad the other day, no?
Yeah.
Go in at the post-game press conference. We put him go in a room. And a YouTube man, ask you like question. Me just take my
management staff full of people. Everything.
I never see management. Some other man, military good and some other man. Some other YouTube man, them busy, brother.
What may I say still? Yeah.
Interesting. So basically, Oral Tracey is saying that the YouTubers are bomb rush the thing. You know, too many YouTubers it seems. But for me, I think the YouTubers are working hard. The fact that they're there, questioning the coach, that's something good. But we still have to beat Oral Tracey a little bit, you know. But big up Oral Tracey though. We rate him, enjoy some of his takes, but I think this one he got it totally wrong. And it was very hypocritical of him as a YouTuber to be saying that YouTubers are bomb rushing the thing and the media could get a chance to ask questions. Historically, we know that's always the case. Media houses, radio station, everybody pushing, fighting to get an interview, to get a few words from whoever they are interviewing. That's been the case. But this just brings to light the division between traditional media and the new media. The traditional media, for the most part, do not like the new media, but the new media is here and the new media is here to stay. Alright, let's give some information. The new media, those digital media that are interactive, incorporate two-way communication and involve some form of computing. The term new media is used to describe all media that involve two-way communication, allow consumers to become producers, and involve the digitization of communication. Examples: websites, blogs, social media platforms such as YouTube, email, video sharing platforms such as YouTube, and online newspapers. So the part where Oral is saying that he was talking to some of his media friends, saying that they couldn't get to ask a question. Social media is media as well. You know, the recognition of social media is lacking. The definition of social media: a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and information through virtual networks and communities. We all know the benefits of new media. You get information very, very fast. You don't have to wait till 7 o'clock news or 7 o'clock sports to get that information. you get it in real time. So the new media, a statistical breakdown, it includes the internet, smartphones, computers, tablets, the traditional media, newspapers, television, and radio. Which one are you guys watching? Which one of these are you guys getting your information from the most? Something to think about. So we all know the power of social media. Despite what the traditional media folks want to say, the new media is the way forward. We're seeing where they're transitioning into new media formats, getting YouTube channels, being on Instagram, being on Twitter. Now that's a big indication that this social media thing is the way forward. So Mr. Oral Tracey, you should know better, being a YouTuber and a good one at that. The power of social media. And if you guys feel that the YouTubers, the little YouTubers, are taking over the space, then you guys need to step up big time. It means the YouTubers are working extra hard to get that information across to the people in real time. You guys could take a leaf out of that book. Alright? So the debate will go on. New media versus the traditional media. What say you guys? Who are you getting your information from the most? Who do you prefer? If you're all for the new media, type N in the comment section below. If you're for the traditional media, type T. Thanks for watching. This is Eddie Guna, and Oral Tracey will be closing the video.
Yeah, subscribe, check it, comment. You understand me? Tell your friends and your family about it. Tell your enemy about it. You see me?